Executive Order Number 2, Series of 2016, seeks to operationalize the constitutional provisions on public disclosure of state transactions involving public interests and the right of people to information on matters of public concern in the executive branch. It also enjoins local governments to observe and be guided by this policy. What are the procedures in the filing and processing of requests for access to information provided under EO number 2 series of 2016? First, any person who requests access to information shall submit a written request to the government office concerned. Second, the public official receiving the request shall provide reasonable assistance free of charge to enable all requesting parties to comply with the request requirements. Third, the request shall be stamped by the government office indicating the date and time of receipt. Fourth, the government office shall respond to a request fully compliant with requirements as soon as practicable, but not exceeding 15 working days from the receipt thereof. Fifth, the period to respond may be extended whenever the information requested requires extensive search of the government office's records facilities. Finally, once a decision is made to grant the request, the person making the request shall be notified of such decision and directed to pay any applicable fees. Take note, however, that government offices shall not charge any fee for accepting requests for access to information. They may, however, charge a reasonable fee to reimburse necessary costs, including actual costs of reproduction and copying of the information required.